Yo, what's up guys? BBLMD here, and you guys still watching Respeto Agulong. And in today's episode, what we have in front of us is the FKM Glider 500S. We're here at Beverly Place Golf Club. Alright, so mababa na yung seat height na. Almost flat-footed na tayo dito. And so sa mga ka-height natin around 5'4 or 5'3, 5'2, guys, even 5 flat, kayang-kaya to. So paano natin bubuksan yung bike? Press lang natin tong button dito. And there you go. We got a TFT display. And that's a picture of Glider 500S. And to start this thing up, are we on neutral? There you go. Ang ganda ng tunog, grabe. Let's try to do a sound check. Buong buo yung tunog. Solid. Oy, grabe naman to. Oh, hindi ko ma-shift. There you go. Medyo nahirapan lang ako doon sa kanyang foot peg dahil di pa ako sanay. Di pa tayo masyadong sanay sa mga cruiser bike. Anyways, there you go. Okay. And now we're getting used to it. And syempre sa riding position, it's upright. Napaka-responsive ng throttle niya. Grabe. Cruiser bike ba to? Ang lakas Oh. Grabe. Malawak ang turning radius niya, pero you just have to be careful dahil masyadong nakaspread yung arms natin dito. Grabe. First gear, second gear, third gear, pumapalo. Syempre first impression kapag usapang cruiser bike is mga pang chill lang, diba? Pero ito is more of a sporty cruiser. May ganun ba? Grabe to. This is something that you gotta watch out for. Hindi porket cruiser bike siya is boring siyang gamitin, di ba? So sa riding position, it's upright, kumbaga napaka-komportableng sakyan. So kahit maliit na rider tayo is ma-manage natin siya na maayos. Kahit medyo may kabigatan yung bike, as long as kaya natin mailapat yung dalawang paa natin sa pavement, is all goods tayo dyan. Nakaka-amaze yung tunog ng exhaust niya. Napakalaking bagay din na yung isang motor is may alam mo, may magandang tunog na ng exhaust, especially sa mga big bike segment, since di rin naman ganun kamura yung pagpapa full system exhaust yan. Given the chance to own this bike, I guess I can live with the stock exhaust na, kasi very noticeable na siya eh. Very bassy yung tunog, maugong, kaya kung lakas ng dating yung hinahanap mo sa motor nyo or ganda ng tunog, well, stock exhaust is actually enough. Yan. So for beginner rider, siguro masabi ko mas okay kung somewhat may experience na tayo sa pagmumotor, dahil iba din kasi yung riding position ng cruiser. Kumbaga, syempre madaling sabihin na upright riding position, pero yung sa positioning ng foot peg natin and positioning ng kamay natin, that is something na, alam mo yun, we don't usually do on a regular basis. Mas okay kung ma-experience na tayo sa pagmumotor. Nang sa gayon is hindi na tayo masyadong manibago sa riding position, and at the same time sa power delivery. Grabe. Ayan o. Ang tapang nitong motor na to, grabe. This is something na I don't expect on a cruiser bike. Yan. Well, naka-experience naman na tayo ng mga cruiser bike, but itong si Glider 500S is something na magbibigay sa atin ng somewhat sporty experience. Yan. Dahil nga doon sa strong power delivery niya. And I guess in comparison sa mga counterparts niya, masasabi natin na mag-stand out tong si Glider 500S when it comes to power delivery. At syempre sa looks, hindi magpapatalo. Nakita nyo naman kung gaano ka-solid yung bawat sulok, iba't ibang angulo ni Glider 500S. And so kung naghahanap kayo ng isang cruiser bike with decent amount of power, with some sort of an excitement, some sort of a sporty feeling, FKM Glider 500S is one of the best option. And for chill riding, no problem pa din naman yan kasi nasa sa atin pa din naman yan kung gusto nating mag chill ride dito kay Glider 500S. Well, riding position wise, this is ready for okay na okay to for chill riding tulad na ginagawa natin ngayon, diba? Kung gagamitin mo to sa long ride, palag-palag talaga to. And since malaki din yung tangke niya, malayo-layo din talaga ang mararating nyo dito kay Glider 500S. And yun nga lang, for traffic situation, given na malaki yung bike, that might be quite challenging sa mga pagsingit-singit, but still nasa atin pa din naman yan kung paano natin gagamitin si Glider 500S. And yun, this is highly recommended, hindi lang sa mga taong may hilig sa mga cruiser bike, but at the same time dun sa mga rider na medyo, alam mo yun, hindi trip yung mga cruiser bike dahil nga doon sa mga personal bias natin na tinatawag na akala natin baka hindi tayo mag-enjoy or hindi tayo makasabay doon sa mga malalakas na motor. Well, with FKM Glider 500S, hindi nyo na po problemahin yun. Grabe. Well, meron naman na tayong separate review with the Glider 500S nung nilaunch siya nung Makina Moto Show. And if you wanted to learn more about the specs, kindly check our previous vlog. Yan, kindly check the link on the description below. And since mga ilang minuto na rin tayong paikot-ikot with the Glider 500S, when it comes to engine heat, all goods. Wala akong nararamdaman na mga annoying engine heat dito sa Hita ako, especially mainit ngayon. Unlike the other bikes, diba, na kapag medyo matagal ka na nag-ride tas mainit pa yung panahon, mararamdaman mo talaga sa hita mo. Pero with Glider 500S, all goods talaga. And yun, given na saglit lang nating nagamit si Glider 500S, I could definitely say na this is a very satisfying cruiser bike. Oh, alright, meron pala siyang side stand safety switch. Kita nyo yun, nung binaba kayong side bigla namatay yung engine. Gusto ko pa sana siyang i-sound check. Isa pa, kaso hindi natin siya pwede i-side stand. Okay, let's do it again. This is the idle. Oh, diba? Solid ang tunog. Konting bomba muna. Damn. Let's kill the engine. See? Nice. Very, very nice. And to shut it off, pindutin nyo lang tong button dito. That's it. And there you have it. This is the FKM Glider 500S. And thank you so much FKM Motorcycle for giving me this opportunity to road test this very awesome 500cc cruiser bike that they got. And I hope na nagustuhan nyo ang video na to about kay Glider 500S. And then I would like to give a shout out to Premium Gears if you're looking for a high quality air-cooled riding jersey, and to Dino Motor Oil para sa mga engine oil ng ating mga pinakamamahal na motor, and to Mukem Helmets, that's a Thailand made helmets. B-Boy LMD here, and you guys watching Respeto Kagulong, make sure to subscribe, hit the bell, and don't forget to like and follow our Facebook page. Just remember to be safe always and enjoy every ride. Bye for now, and I'll see you guys on the next one.